How to get Monopoly Go stickers for free. The first things first is access your Monopoly Go application. The first thing you can earn a free Monopoly Go stickers is by reaching out level 25 first so that you will access the daily treats because sometimes rewards for daily treats includes stickers. Now, second thing to do or second way to do to earn the stickers is via um, joining or participating into Monopoly Go tournaments. Again, sometimes those rewards includes stickers. Now, the other way to earn stickers is by inviting friends. Now, all you have to do is to copy this friend code and just simply send it to one of your friends who you would like to play with Monopoly Go. Just simply click on this share icon right here and send it maybe Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, and many social media participating brands out there. Now, the last thing that you can do is just by pulling up free rewards by going to your menu and then just simply press on the shop. So just simply press on free, and sometimes this includes stickers, so you'll just have to play or to wait for another 8 hours to open up another gift. So those are the things that you can do to earn Monopoly Go stickers.